FAIRYWILL electric toothbrush, powerful sonic cleaning, ADA accepted rechargeable toothbrush with timer, 5 modes, 3 brush heads, 4 HR charge, last 30 days, whitening toothbrush for adults and kids. FAIRYWILL electric toothbrush 507 ADA accepted, with 40,000 micro brushes per minute, powerful ultrasonic technology. Enjoy clean and healthy teeth. Get a thorough cleaning with reduced noise, an overall upgrade over other regular electric toothbrushes. 1 4-hour charge, last 30 days, compatible with any power source with an auto shut-off after a full charge and a low battery reminding. The long battery life is supported by USB charging. This electric toothbrush is convenient to use at home or travel. Bring it on any trip with the easy-to-use adapter and USB cable. The 2-minute smart timer with interval pausing every 30 seconds encourages a good brushing habits. High-quality ADA accepted. This FAIRYWILL product is ADA accepted. The ADA is the professional association of dentists dedicated to serving both the public and the profession of dentistry. The ADA promotes the public's health through commitment of member dentists to provide quality oral health care accessible to everyone. FAIRYWILL always works to give you the highest level of quality and care. That is why we associate ourselves with the best and work to give you the best. 5 high-performance brushing modes to suit different conditions of teeth and gums. Take full care of your mouth and sensitive teeth. 55-gram extra lightweight, designed less than half of regular electric toothbrush. Light in hand, but thorough cleaning with reduced noise, upgraded brushing experience than a regular electric toothbrush. 3 brush heads and a toothbrush head's hygienic protective cover included to offer well-rounded protection on your brush heads, hygienic and dust-free. The bristles are made with DuPont nylon to suit teeth topography for thorough cleaning. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.